Hey everyone, and welcome to another live stream brought to you by easytradingschool.com. And today we're going to be retrying our martingale strategy, binary options trading, live stream with live money and real money. And here we go. Now, those of you watching, please subscribe to the channel. I bring out these videos almost every day, and I trade live, and it's very important because so I can have more viewership, and I also crack down on any scam systems which are coming out all the time. I talk about them, I expose them. I also show you which systems are working. I test them. And I also have a course on sale which is at $99, which you can buy through the website. It's on sale at the moment. It's gonna go back to its normal price, which is $300. So you're getting a saving of $200 if you buy now. So coming back to this binary options trading, I've been trading a bit using the martingale trading strategy. It hasn't gone down as well as I would have liked it to. However, I do know where the money can be made and how it can be made using this strategy. Okay, so to sign up with this broker expert option, click on the link in the box. Please sign up with the link. This way we give you continued support, and also you're also supporting us, and we support you through your any questions, any issues that you have. So I will be here for you, and let's get going. So on the screen you can see my usual wheel spinner, which has call and put. So this is the direction that I'm going to take, red or green, and then I've freshly deposited $300 yesterday. So the balance sits at that. Now, using the martingale trading strategy, I have worked out that I have up to 5 tries before I blow up my account, and that will be, I would say, my base trading price is going to be $5, not 70. So the first step is to build the account to $500, and then $1,000, then $2,200, then $5,000, and then $10,000, just only using the $300 seed money. Okay, so small steps, step by step. So this looks like it's rising. I'm gonna go ahead and place a trade there and spin the wheel. Usually people like to spin the wheel before, but I spin the wheel after. Okay, so how are we doing? My favorite direction is always downwards, and today I started off with the opposite, which is the upwards. Now if you do sign up with this and start trading, you will get a $10,000 demo account absolutely free. Also make sure to get a regular account when you're signing up at the same time. Also, when you are trading, you can see here it says 87% and 87%. Make sure that these two items are both in the right. They're both right. I mean, they're both in the right. Not right, but they're both equal. Okay, because if you were to click the strike rate to be different, you will see the one of the item is different. It's 97. The other is just gone off. The return will be $10, $5, and then you can change the strike rate. So let's have this equal. Okay, so make sure that you keep them equal. The last one So today is the 19th April, trading binary options. I'm gonna see this has gone down now. I have to wait for the spike, and that's what I need to focus on. So my first trade for $5 didn't go well. My next trade is going to be, of course, is going to be $11. Yeah. Okay, so I also need to calculate. See, I have to wait for the spike to go up a bit. See that spike? So it's gonna go up and it's gonna become a spike. So I just have to wait for it to be higher. See, this is the resistance there. So I will now hit downwards and now it's gonna come down. Okay, simple system. These are all spiky, spiky, spiky. So I say I'll get that one in. I'm just working through my calculations here, so you cannot see the white box, but I can see it here. Okay, this message says I won put. Okay. I also have to wait for the trade to close before I open another one. Very, very important. Okay, so now I have to go back to my original amount, $5. And now see, this is at the bottom now, so I just have to wait for it to kind of go up, become a spike again, because right now it's just very stable, but these spikes are always there most of the time. I'll just wait before it goes up higher a bit. Just have to wait a few seconds. Spin the wheel. Okay. Okay, I'll just place downwards. It's okay. It's all okay. Okay, it's good. I will continue to trade like so, downwards again, my favorite direction, very safe. And okay, Okay, so I just have to wait for the spike again. I hit another €5 one. Okay, I'll just wait for it to go up again a bit. Yeah, see, it goes back up again, and when it starts to come down, I'm gonna hit downwards again. Goes up, 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 down. Still going up. Come on down. Four, three, two, one. Almost there. Okay, so now I have to take $12 trade because we lost that one. Downwards again. I just like to have the wheel spinner for fun. I really like this broker. They have good reputation, a very good system, accurate pricing. Okay, we think we've lost that one, so let's look at this here. So my next amount is going to be $25 using the martingale trading strategy. Now it seems to be rising now, you see, but I'm still gonna go with my favorite direction, which is downwards. Have no fear. So my target balance it's $10,000, and I think it's very achievable if I stick to the strategy. If I maintain the focus, it's very, very possible. Okay, let's see, where is this going? It's on the edge. Okay, we lost that one again. So my next amount is going to be 55. Okay, 55. Will it be 60? 55. Downwards. Spin the wheel. This cannot be happening. Now I've had 8 wrongs in a row, and that's where I lost all the money. So your account has to be big enough to sustain about 7-8 wrong direction predictions, and that requires about $1,600 balance and a base amount of say 500 10 or $5 or $10. We made a return of 102.85. Let's see. And I'm gonna go back to my original amount, which is 5. Okay. Now, yesterday I used $10 as the base amount, and my account limitation was 5 wrong tries using the $10 amount, and that's quite low. Or it would be about 4 wrong tries. It's quite low. So that's why I'm using $5 just to be safe. Okay, where are we now? That's okay. I'll just wait for it to go up and then hit down. Yeah, it's okay. Where is it going? You know, this spike is not a bad thing because after that we can have many chances for it to come down. You know, this spike is not a bad thing because after that we can have many chances. Okay, we've lost that one. We're gonna double up the amount and make that 12. And hit downwards again. Okay, so we have result here, and what we have to do is we have to double up on amount. Okay, so we are at $12, so next one is going to be 25. Now I have a, okay, it's offline, online. Hit downwards. I'm waiting for this to stabilize. Okay, so I missed that because I was answering a friend. I just have to wait for the spike. Okay, 5, 12, 25, and okay, 102, 1, 2, 3, 102, 55, 50, 310. Okay, 25. I'll spin the wheel. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I need to go back to my base amount, which is $5. My target, I started off with a $300 balance live. And my target is $10,000, of course. It's a nice target, but the strategy is very, very important. Okay, so I have to go back to the $5 balance. 46.25 return. To sign up, use the link in the description box. Okay, everything looks okay except for I just have to. I'm using USD, Euro USD. For this strategy to work, you don't need to worry about the direction. You don't need to worry about the currency pair. I would recommend to start the balance off with $600. Ideally, I've worked it out to be $1,622, but I'm showing you guys and girls with $300 and with a low base amount, because just to prove my point that you can actually um, take this account anywhere you want, even if, let's say, you deposited 1,000 and you lost 700, and then you can say to yourself, think to yourself that you've only deposited 300, and then build the account from there. Build it from ground up. So this is what I'm trying to do. Instead of putting in $1,600, I'm doing a base amount. Okay, so okay, on the winning I remain with the same base amount, no problems. Okay, where are we going? So on winning, I stay with the same amount, 5, and this way I am generating $4 every minute. And if I get the direction wrong, I double up on the amount and I continue making money. For this strategy to work, I need to have at least $1,600 in the account, but I'm just using $300 just to see if I can bring that amount to the target of $10,000. It's only a test, but it's with real money, live account. Let's see if I can take this account to $10,000. Now do subscribe to my channel, because it takes many hours for an account to actually mature up and become profitable. So I can't really trade 4 hours straight on a live session. So I try to do a live session every day for 30-40 minutes. And this way, if you subscribe, then you can see when I'm live and you can get a notification. Okay, so now I have to double up and make that 12. I will stay with downward direction. Spin the wheel. For this strategy to work, you can have any pair, doesn't matter. And with binary options, you can trade anytime you like. There's no limit on the trading hours as well. Expert option is a good, reliable broker. And so my next amount is going to be $25. Very simple downward move as usual. So I'll just wait for the spike. It's going, okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. 5, 12, 25. So with this account size, I have about, how many tries I have? I've got 5 tries before I blow up the account. I'm using the martingale trading strategy. You are guaranteed to make money only and only if you follow this method to the bone. You don't deviate from it even for 1 bit. You don't make any mistakes regarding your amounts, and when you lose, you need to keep a track of what your next amount is going to be for this strategy to work. It looks like I'm gonna get this one for $46.25 back into the account, and I have to go back on my original base amount, which I've set to be $5. You can have this amount to anything you like, but it depends what your starting broker balance is. So let's just go downwards again. Okay, so we're back to some amount. Okay. Okay, I do not know what's happening here. I lost. Oh no, I've got one. Okay, 5, 12, 25, 5, 6, 25. Let's see, what is this? The 46. Okay, looks like I lost that one. So simply double it up, no worries. Okay, hit downwards very quickly because I can see it coming down now again. So I am pretty sure I'm gonna get that one for 12 and 22.2. Okay, surprise, surprise. We lost that one, so it's going to go to 25 for downwards. Let's spin the wheel just for fun. Okay, did we make that one? No, we didn't. Okay, so now it's going to go to $55, and this is gonna be okay, downwards again. Okay, I'm doing another calculations on the Excel sheet. You cannot see it, but not sure why, but I just need to work out something here. All right, deadly. Look at this. Look at this. Going down, all the way down. Okay, so the return is 101.75. And now, if you've been paying attention, can you guess what my next amount is going to be? The amount that you put in for this trading is very, very important. I have to go back to $5. It seems like a very small amount, but as you can see, my balance is rising. I think I started off with $300, and now it's at 349. I've been live for 34 minutes and a half, and in 30 minutes I've gained $49, so it's not bad. I just need to do some calculations here. I'm still doing it, so I can have a better return. So let me see here. I'll just wait for it to go up a bit. Yeah, what's going on? Okay, my next amount might be 12. I just have to wait 20 seconds. Okay. Yeah, see, I was going to change that to 12, and that would have been a mistake. So that means I just have to take another downward trend, trade, and keep going. Okay, where are we now? Okay, I continue to take downward trend. Okay, keep going. Okay. Hmm. Have to double up on the amount. Make that 12 downwards. Okay, so I have to go back to my $5 amount downwards, and I will spin the wheel. Okay, so it's gone down quite considerably, and there's a chance that it's going to start rising now. Now the question is whether it's going to gradually rise or sharply rise. Usually it's rising sharply, but I'll just continue to do downward. Spin the wheel. Okay, 925, 3930. Okay. So if you want to sign up for the system, click on the link in the description box. You can get a $10,000 practice demo account, and also don't forget to sign up for the regular account as well. Okay, so my balance stands at 371. And how is that so? Um, okay, seems to be still going down. I have to continue following the setup, which is $5 base amount. As long as I'm winning, I have to keep going with this amount, and no worries. Okay, charge this. Okay, 14. Five, four, three, two, one. Seems to be going down now. It's, as you see, it just went up sharply. So it might rise again or it might just come down again. So I'm just gonna go with my usual and bring it down. Okay, let's see. Let's see, where is this going? 30 seconds. Okay, so we lost that one. Hang on. We lost two in a row. Oh, I did not see that coming. And I didn't change the amount. Yeah, okay, I need to focus. So that's 10 loss. So the next one is going to be 25 and downwards. And update the balance 345. Right, so somebody commented that if you have a strategy you cannot lose. Um, well, if you really cannot lose, then you would be a millionaire, sir. You shouldn't be afraid of losing. That's not the problem. The problem is that your balance goes up, and that's what I'm after. But thank you for your input, and that's all okay. Okay, so what is happening here? Okay, that didn't go well. I need to zoom in and see what's going on. Okay, I have to increase the amount to 55. I'm gonna go with my favorite direction. Okay.